The Idaho Abortion Human Rights Act. In 2012 in Priest River, Idaho, Jeremy Swanson killed his wife Jennifer and their preborn child in her womb. Because Idaho Code rightly defines the crime of murder to include the intentional killing of an embryo or fetus, Jeremy Swanson was charged with 2 counts of murder and was convicted, and is serving 2 life sentences for the double homicide. Idaho Code also rightly defines a preborn child as a person. Our existing law recognizes, in most cases, the human rights, including the right to life, of preborn children. But for one exception. Had Jennifer Swanson gone to an abortionist and consented to have that same preborn child killed that Jeremy Swanson is serving a life sentence for killing? She'd be free from any penalty of law. Only in the case of abortion does our law deprive the human rights of the child. In fact, it is not a Supreme Court decision that allows killing by abortion. It is our own Idaho law that grants the exception to murder by abortion. Specifically prohibiting the prosecution of abortionists and mothers. As a result, every week in Idaho, 28 children are killed. This is inequity in our law. But finally, Representatives Heather Scott and John Green have introduced the Abortion Human Rights Act to the Idaho House of Representatives. If passed by the Idaho House and the Senate, and if signed into law by the governor, abortion would no longer be allowed in Idaho. And abortion clinics in Meridian and Twin Falls would be shut down. Under the Idaho Abortion Human Rights Act, preborn children, without exception, would finally have equal protection in our law. There would be life and liberty for all, no matter how small.